Hello, Dina. This is Donald Lee. This is my final research project presentation for AI 101. Um, Today is March 19th, and I'm recording this video from my cell phone because my laptop's microphone and webcam is not working. So um, I was going to use a screen recorder, but I thought I could um, just use the cell phone for the voice and the video at the same time. But anyway, this is my final project, and my project is on researching no-code chatbots. So in today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to enhance customer experiences, generate leads for sales, and personal marketing efforts. One technology that has gained tremendous popularity in achieving these goals is chatbots. That's the reason I chose this project, is to research no-code chatbots. Chatbots are powered by AI nowadays, and they enable businesses to engage with the customers in real time and provide instant support, capture sales leads, and deliver personalized marketing messages. Traditionally, developing chatbots require coding expertise, so you pretty much have to be a programmer in order to develop chatbots, which limited chatbots access to businesses without technical resources. Right, programmers are expensive to hire. Unless you have an in-house developer, you have to resort to hiring consultants and experts developing chatbots. However, the emergence of AI and with the emergence of no-code chatbot builder platforms, this has revolutionized the chatbot landscape and empowering marketers and non-technical professionals to create interactive chatbots without writing a single line of code. So in this research project presentation, I'll dive into the world of creating chatbots with no-code platforms that I have researched, and explore how businesses can leverage this technology to transform their customer support, drive sales lead generation, and deliver personalized marketing expertise. Why no-code chatbots? Most people feel intimidated by the process of building chatbots. It looks very complicated. It is a very complex task, but most people are unclear why they will even need a chatbot, or much less how to make one, and don't know where to start. But in reality, from my research, I found that making your own chatbot is actually very easy and very fun. So you don't even need to be a techie programmer or coder using these no-code chatbot builder platforms that I have researched. So one of the most widely used application of chatbots, and the use case scenario is in sales and customer service. So I chose to use a chatbot for my own digital media arts portfolio website that I integrated a chatbot with by embedding it into my website at dragoncentury.com, which I will show you in a few minutes. So the benefits of no-code chatbots is that you can, or chatbots in general, is that you can grow excellent customer service, maximize your support capacity with automation and AI. So according to statistics, you can solve up to chatbots can solve up to 70% of customer problems with AI and engage customers on all the messaging channels like social media, SMS, and text messengers, um, and even email integration for email marketing. So chatbots can provide on support, hands-on support with live chat um, and help desk tools. So those are the reason that we want to use chatbots for websites and for business pages on Facebook, Meta, social media, Snapchat, um, and even SMS, text messaging, which can be integrated. So, okay. Why should you make a chatbot for your website? Conversational bots are more than just a fad. Chatbot makers develop them with specific purposes in mind. For example, other use cases for chatbots are, especially in sales and customer service arena, is to make customer happy by answering their questions faster. So in this day and age, we have microwave ovens and fast you know fast foods and TV dinners where time is money, so customers don't want to wait. You'll lose customers if you don't respond to them right away. So chatbots kind of fill in the need for instant access to instant customer service help and assistance. So chatbots can also conduct multiple real-time conversations at once, increase sales by as much as 67% or more on the average, according to statistics I researched, and also make your website more interactive, engaging, and more credible. So chatbots can offer better user experiences on mobile devices as well, not just from your desktop. Chatbots can collect feedback with up to 90% of the response rate. So it's a great way to survey customers using chatbots rather than emailing them, which has a very low response rate. If you email surveys, it's like 10% or less, maybe even 1% on the average for email surveys. But chatbots can collect a lot of data and survey your customers by asking questions and getting instant answers, and collect sales leads as well. So chatbots can recover abandoned shopping carts and remind shoppers on e-commerce websites to remind them of the things that are in their shopping carts, and pop up a dialogue to ask them a question or give them alerts. So chatbots can also help explore possibilities of conversational interfaces. So chatbots are essential for businesses such as e-commerce stores. So chatbot can single-handedly resolve 69% of customer queries from start to finish with the FAQs and frequently asked questions and answers. And this translates to average of 30% reduction in customer service costs, according to my research. So that's very significant for businesses in terms of cost savings, and it'll help businesses become more efficient and needing less headcount for customer service personnel, by phone or by email or in person. So chatbots can even replace customer service or salespeople, but most of the time they just augment the sales and customer service staff rather than replacing them, so they can focus on more important tasks instead of repeating the same answers and questions to customers. So why create chatbot for sales customer service? Chatbot, here are some of the chatbot benefits: efficient, scalable customer service. One of the primary benefits of using a chatbot is the ability to handle a large volume of customers' conversations and simultaneously. Unlike human agents, virtual assistants do not tire, require breaks, they don't call in sick. So they're like robots. Essentially, they are robots that can chat with your customers and scale. You can have, thousands, millions of chatbots simultaneously talking to, thousands, millions of customers at the same time. And they are virtual. So this scalability enabled the chatbots to provide support to multiple users at once. And study have showed virtual assistant can handle around 91% of customer service chats from start to finish, and even book appointments for doctors and for medical clinics, and also remind patients of the appointments. So also chatbots give instant access to sales and customer support, and also they the chat window allow users to easily type the questions, concerns, and get relevant responses from the bot in real time. So in fact, over 90% of shoppers rate immediate response as essential when they have a support question. So chatbots can decrease response time and retain customers by increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. So marketing and conversion opportunities. Chatbot offer marketing opportunities, and they can also utilize campaigns like first time buyer with discount codes for first time visitors to the e-commerce website, or specials of the day, or post sale as support questions after sales, and as well as pre-sale support. So chatbots can offer personalized product recommendations in real time, and drive sales by conversing with customers, and also discovering what their real needs are by chatting with AI inference and predictions. So research show that according to business leaders, chatbot can increase sales by as much as 67% on the average. So how to create an artificial intelligence chatbot using Tildio. So I have researched a number of chatbot builder platforms. I chose to use Tildio because Tildio has the ability to upload conversations to train the AI, and it has a conversation database for training a chat conversation AI model. But you can also use Tildio chatbot builder development platform to recognize user intent, and it also is free to try for 7 days. So it also allows you to integrate with email, messengers, SMS text, and social media like website, live chats, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp Messenger, and also integration with email for email marketing campaigns. So the key takeaway from my research is that in building an AI chatbot or even a simple conversational chatbot, it may seem like a complex process, but if you believe your users can benefit from it, you can definitely create prototype and try to add it to a business website with X steps. So these X steps I identify are: number one is identify your business goal and customer needs. Number two would be choose a chatbot builder you can use on your channel. Design bot conversations flow by using the right nodes in the flow chart, and test your chatbot and collect messages to get more insights. Use data and feedback from customers to train your bot, and check which conversation routes are the best, most popular, and improve them with a better user experience. So the more data you collect from the previous conversations and on the monitor messages, you can figure out what the FAQs are and answer the most common questions by typing in and recording canned responses to most commonly asked questions. So if your customers will be using it on a regular basis, you may think about other enhancements and improvements. So Tulio was the choice, my choice. There are many chatbot builder platforms, but Tulio's ranked one of the top with because they excel in being more visual. HubSpot's number 2, Chatfield was number 3 ranked. Pandora Bots, ManyChat, Chatbot, Wati, Outgrow, Taps, Avio are the other ones that I researched. So there are basically two types of chatbots: one that use AI that has built-in templates, and the rule-based where you can actually manually design the chat flow with nodes. They're rule-based. Okay, let's take a look at Meta Facebook Messenger integration. Tulio also ranked top in terms of automation. So Chatfield was number 2. Customers AI was number 3. So typical pricing for chatbot is they have a SaaS, software as a service subscription plan. They range from 0 free trial to $100 per month with more advanced features. There's a professional subscription plan, range from $15 to $500 a month. Enterprise subscription plan, based on number of users, they're between $600 $5,000 per month. In-house chatbots, they run about $10,000 per month for if you're gonna hire a developer. Or you can hire an agency, which will cost between $1,000 to $5,000 a month. And consumption-based fee chatbots is based on the number of requests, audio requests or text requests, kind of like pay-per-click advertising. It's between 0.006 and $1. Those are the typical costs. Okay, next slide is yeah, those are the three different plans. You could go pay as you go, on demand, pay per text, pay per audio, or you can develop in-house or buy a subscription for a chatbot vendor such as Tirio, which is I think it's the most cost efficient with a subscription plan, which is fixed price. So no code, low code chatbot creation steps. I already went through those steps. I think the most important thing is to get feedback from your customers and collect the history of chats, so you can use the AI to train to improve it. That's the step number 8. So chatbot design examples, sales leads generation bots. These are some of the examples of good and bad designs. Good designs, you want to make it simple, like this one here. It's clear, easy to understand, and users can anticipate what happened when they choose one of the suggested options. So you're going to give them choices like canned responses. This is a bad design because it kind of leads customer to nowhere. It doesn't have a conclusion, so they can just ask random questions and go off the tangent. So how to create a AI chatbot using Google's Dialogflow. So this is more advanced user for coding. That requires coding. Google has a Dialogflow API, which has documentations here. It's Google's primary framework for creating chatbots. So this is the link to the Dialogflow API. If you want to do the in-house, go with the in-house route to hire your own developer to develop your own custom chatbot. You might need that, but for this purpose of this project, we won't, because we're not using any code. We're not coding anything. So we're just using the chatbot builder platform. We won't touch this. Chatbot design. There's best practices, and I researched 12 tips. Try to determine a chatbot's best way to solve a problem. First, gotta define the problem and make sure that chatbot is the good solution for the problem. Consider advantages of design bot over search bars, forms, or pop-ups in a given situation. Choose an all-in-one platform that will allow you to modify chatbot templates, design new ones, deploy chatbots in an easy way. That's TD that I'm going to be demonstrating later. Select your objectives and don't try to solve all your problems at once. Choose the right tone and voice and emojis for your chatbots. Design a chatbot avatar that is pleasant to look at but does not steal the show. Take care of the potential chatbot interface issues such as message reliability. Don't make your chatbots pretend that they are humans, but keep the chatbot flows simple and organized. Add visuals, emojis for more natural chatting experiences. A and B testing to continue to improve the chatbot based on conversation history and data you collect. Also, you can add an option to connect with a human agent when users get frustrated and can get their answers. So how to design a chatbot. These are the steps, 12 steps of best practices. And the good versus bad design in chatbots. Here's some examples. The workflow of the conversation notes. the flowchart. It should be simple, not complicated, like this one here. There's too much going on here in this flowchart, and this is a good design when you offer options and canned responses. The user can just choose from, rather than asking open question. If they have open-ended questions, that leads to nowhere, no answers. Here's some more do's and don'ts for chatbot design. We want to use A/B testing to evaluate the chatbot, and have a control and variation and placement of on the website. And also, we want to add a little bit of human touch using emojis and tones and voices, and give option to contact human agent and mimic a real human conversation. That's very important. This is a don't do. One of the things you don't want to do is design dead-end conversations and overcomplicate chatbot flows. Allow too open intent conversations, like this one here. This is a bad example. So we can test and see which one has better response using A/B testing. Okay, do's and don'ts. Already went over that. So I'll just skip this slide here. Example of a real life chatbot integration between Matter Messenger and American Express, and this is a very good use case for chatbots for American Express. This conversation involved like a text message to alert the user that they've used the card at this merchant, and for fraud detection, and this is very useful. Okay, good visual design, so simple, clear choice, and frequently asked question design. So this is another example of good design versus bad. Using visuals like texting pictures to the user. So this is pretty good. And also, yeah, you have a button for FAQ here. That's a good design here, rather than mechanical monotone design without any emojis here. This looks very mechanical and not human, whereas this here, you have a picture of the person as well, of the profile, so it looks like you're talking to a live person, and this is a lot more human-like. So this is a good design. This is bad here. And chatbot avatar design, yeah, that also put a human touch into the chatbot with creative and fun and colorful avatars, and emojis which create tone and voice design, different emotions here, using emojis to also help conversation become more human-like. So the bottom line is the human agent also it's the last resort. You also need to provide a human in case the user cannot solve the problem. So you always will be nice to have a way for them to contact you in person I'll contact a live person for help, additional help. With using assistants like this is like Clippy from Microsoft Office. That was probably one of the first original chatbots. So there's some references here, and now we're gonna dive into the actual TD website integration. Yeah, TD is chatbot builder platform. Is very easy to use. So all you need to do is create an account on the website here. This is my website that I'm going to integrate. I'm already logged in here, created a web account here with TD, so I'm just going to go into the this is my website I'm going to be integrating it with. So yes, once you log in, create an account, TDO it walks you through step by step. I already done this ahead of time. So it says install TDO on your website. It's similar to your first conversation. So yeah, I already done that actually. Go to settings. You know, you can set the appearance of the widget. You can upload a picture profile, which I did. I uploaded a picture of a robot here. And I already tested some conversation here. So that was the first step. Set the appearance, the sidebar, installation. There's a code that you need to install. Embed is a JavaScript code, so I copy and pasted it to the clipboard, and then I go to my Wix, which is my website host here. For my website, this is my website. It's called Dragon Century. So what I was doing was I edited the website to embed this line of code into my into this page, this contact page. I call this is my contact page here. Yeah, this is my website editor here. So I went to this menu here. I added chat with us menu here. So here's the chat with us menu. This is the page where the contact page, about us, contact us. So I embedded this code here, as you can see. It's a JavaScript code here from the provided to me by TDO. So this will activate the chatbot with this line of code. It's very simple. I just have to embed it into my web page. So, and then I publish the website again. So now you can see my chatbot shows up here on my web page as I refresh. My website is dragoncentury.com. Let me refresh it again. So you can see this is where I navigate to the contact chat with us page here. And now you can see my chat bot is showing up, so I can ask a question. Hi. Ask a question. What is the price of websites design? So I'm not getting a response. Turn on notifications here. And, try again. They actually asked me for address earlier. So this is a previous conversation. Yeah. So this is my CAN pre-programmed conversation that I programmed earlier. Hi there. If you need any assistance, I'm always here. Please call to speak to us for custom pricing details tailored to your project. So that's my CAN response. So yeah, this is what TD looks like. TDO. There's actually templates that you could program here. You could put in the name, your name, who you're gonna talk to, and these CAN responses you could input, like a help desk. It also has Instagram integration, WhatsApp integration with Messenger, and this is my account that I set up with the notifications. You can also integrate with your email, and there's operating hours. You can set CAN responses. Yeah, there's CAN responses you can program into. Get rid of this one. Yeah, these are CAN responses I programmed earlier. You're welcome. Please let us know if there's anything I can help you with. And then buy. There's a workflow. You could take a look at the workflow here. You could do manual, round robin, or use AI to create workflow for you. Yeah, there's a lot of templates. I was gonna show you. There's email marketing here. Putting an email address. They can also integrate with campaigns, different campaigns. So this is Tidio. Yeah, but let me show you the. Put you on pause for. Okay, so this is where you can create a chatbot strategies with the different built-in templates for sales, leads, and support, customer support. So these are already built in. I already added these to the chatbot. These are kind of like pre-made templates for FAQ, for e-commerce stores, AI responder, cart boosters. There's all kinds of templates here you can add to the chatbot. For example, for first-time visitors, welcome new visitors, and or pre-purchase, or you can recommend products here and offer discounts. For e-commerce store, you could actually suggest products and offer discount codes. Or assist with orders, or I'll remind the customer the last item in stock, and we can test it out and see how that works. As an example, so this chat is built in. It will remind the customer, tell them to hurry up, this product is running out of stock fast, so it will help boost sales and increase sales. So I respond, got it. The chatbot will respond, okay, enjoy the shopping. In any case, we're here for you. So we can test out these different templates here. Discount for new visitors, we can test this one out too. So, hi there, nice to see you. We have a 10% promo code for new customers. Would you like to get new one? Get one now. Okay, I say yes. And it's going to say, cool, what's your email address? So it's collecting sales leads. So I'm going to type in my email here. It will say, oh, here's your discount code. So click the copy and then you can put it in my shopping cart. Paste it to my shopping cart and get the discount that they offered to me by the chatbot. So the chatbot asked me, great, would you like to stay in the loop with the latest news? I said, sure, okay. Now it's going to ask me for email address. So this is another chat that's built in. So as you can see, it's very easy to create conversations, canned responses with these templates. It's already provided with these chatbot platform builders. There's also another one. Oh, Cart Booster. This is a good one. It will suggest products and offer discount codes. I save 10% on this order. Get the code now. If you click on the can button, response, it will collect their email address for a future email marketing campaign. So it asks me for my email and then I get the discount code for 10% off. Okay, click the copy and I'll paste it to my shopping cart. So you can use it at the checkout now. So I say thank you. Happy face here. And it will respond. Oh, it's not going to respond. So so there are many templates provided that we can use. So this concludes my presentation. I think I need to tweak my website a little bit more, get it to work. But yeah, it's showing up on my website, and which is great. Yeah, I think just need to tweak a little bit more, but you can actually see the response in real time from the TD website, whatever I put there. So here's the page that shows you all the visitors that are on the site at the moment. So these are my previous conversations. The email address that was collected, I typed in here, and the conversation is all recorded here. So I can actually respond to join the conversation here in real time, like I'm talking to the customer right now. Thank you. Thank you for visiting our website. So reply to my website now. And let me see if it will show up here. Refresh. Go back here. I think it's yeah, it's not working quite right, but it needs a little bit more tweaking. But this is how it works. Yeah, real time here. This is an old conversation here when I was testing, and yeah, so these are the Q&A. You can add Q&A. And knowledge base here, and these are just different features. There's also email campaign, boost online sales. These different graphics you can add, make the chatbot more visual. Different sale campaigns, the discount percentage and discount codes. So you can select any of these, and it will show up on the chat. Or you can design your own. Yeah, so this is our conversation. From 2 hours ago. So, yeah, so it's all recorded here, as you can see. I'll say hello back. Yeah, it does show up. Say hello. So it's working in real time. You can see my response here. I typed earlier. Hello. So it's actually working. It's talking to me. But I'm both the chatbot and the user. So anyway, this concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for all your flexibility and deadline accommodation for my DRC. Have a great spring, and I will upload this PowerPoint and the URL for my website. You can play with and chat with me here on the chatbot from my website, dragoncentury.com. As you can see the URL here. So dragoncentury.com. You have to go to the more here. Click on more and chat with us. There's a sub menu here, drop down menus. That's where this page is, where the chatbot's located. It's under the more, chat with us, and here's my chatbot, which is working. Again, the URL is dragoncentury.com, and the menu page is under more, chat with us, and this is the message box for email, but this is the chat window here. You click on this, it will show up. So I'm just gonna say thank you. I'll type thank you here. To conclude, type thank you. Just gonna type here thank you. Oops. Thank you, Dina. And say, the canned response is thank you for visiting our website. So if I go to my website, it should show up there. Oh, here you go. Let me refresh. Is this the website? I lost my page here. Too many tabs here. Okay. This is the one here. Just refresh. Okay, there it is. Just showed up here. So it is working from my end. Thank you, Dina. Have a great spring.